my people. Good morning, good afternoon. It depends where you're watching from. Um, Welcome to Mirror African TV. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please try to do so because Mirror African TV will love you to be getting notifications and sharing all that is going on. Alfred Christopher, it's because of people like you that things are going wrong. I haven't even started. You don't know what my topic is. You don't know what I want to say. You have started accusing. It's very, very bad because people like you are the one pissing on this struggle, thinking that you are doing Biafra struggle or Nnamdi Kanu or Asari Dokubo or anybody a favor with your dirty insult. I have been watching you for a very long time. You subscribe to this channel and keeps on waiting for the day Mirror African TV will come on air so that you will show the world your quality. Well, that's left for you because I know that you are not speaking for Nnamdi, nor for other Biafran people. That is upbringing from your family. By their fruit we shall know them. Well, first of all, before I will continue on today's program, let me first of all introduce the social media that I have been working on and setting up for a very long time. I will advise most of our brothers and sisters to visit iroko.com, subscribe to the page, do your thing there, blog, make friends, and it's like Facebook. If you know how to use Facebook, you will be able to know how to use iroko.com. It's for us and it's free of charge. The site is still under development, and with time you will be able to be sending money home from iroko.com, because as soon as I finish it will be registered under the German government, and maybe by God's grace they will give us the permission to be able to make the money transfer. But you'll be sending money free of charge without any extra charges like Western Union, MoneyGram, or whatever. But the time have not yet come. We are still working towards that and building up the entire securities and everything. But today's program is all about our two brothers, Nnamdi Kanu and Asari Dokubo. These two guys are not helping the matters, and I don't know how we'll be able to make peace in between two of them. But I have been listening to the speech of Asari Dokubo, and I listened to the speech of Nnamdi Kanu. I also come across the accusation that Asari Dokubo made against Nnamdi Kanu. Even last time I made a small video about it. You don't accuse somebody while you have no evidence. You know, you are complicating issues. But I keep on telling my people we should be neutral. We shouldn't be taking side. We shouldn't be forming or joining an organization. Mirror Africa is not an organization, and Mirror Africa don't even belong to any party. We are here to make peace. Mirror Africa is here to unite the entire Biafran people that are running helter-skelter. Whether they like it or they don't like it, we must succeed in uniting our people. Before I do make videos and I do advise my people to tell them on some issues pertaining security, because I have listened to Asari Dokubo's speech, I could be able to figure out where his anger lies. And I also listened to Nnamdi Kanu's side. I realized that Nnamdi Kanu is not even accusing Asari Dokubo of anything. Rather, somebody you made a very powerful accusation to have to react in a way. But I am here now to correct a lot of things so that Asari Dokubo shouldn't be seeing Nnamdi Kanu as the enemy, and then Nnamdi not to see Asari as enemy. If at all I will have some parliament here, those that will be able to chip words into this matter, that could be fine. But the reason why I didn't bring people, most of the people are 100% Nnamdi Kanu's followers. They will not like to listen to my advice. They would like to use the platform to insult Asari. That's why I keep them out for now. But I will do it the way I can. So before I will continue, I will play Asari Dokubo's audio, and I will beg advanced people to use advanced brain to look into the Asari Dokubo's speech, and also use advanced brain to look into where I'm going to point out today. So let me just jump in and play the Asari Dokubo speech.
The defense of the Biafran people. Am I a member of IPOB? I'm not a member of IPOB. You wanted me. I'm a coward, yet you wanted me to handle your defense. I have the list of all the people you sent to me and how many months you stayed. How we are there. How did they know where these boys were kept? How did the DSS come there? You want us to open the box and tell the whole world. You call somebody a coward, but you want him to be to organize your defense. The people at Nkwo, the people at Onitsha Bridgehead, who stood, the job boys, how did they get there? Who brought them there? Is it you? Are they Igbo boys? Was any one of them injured or killed? The Igbo boys that were with you at Afara, you want me to endanger people's life that were with you at Afara? Are they your boys? Do you know them? Do you know how they were trained? You open your mouth when I'm talking, you talk. When me I'm talking, you will talk. Or your minions will talk. Children get size. Nnamdi Kanu. What is that shit of a name? We met in the meeting we held in Benin. How did you people betray? Betrayal is in your blood. The meeting in this thing, in Port Harcourt, is only known to you, Nnamdi Kanu, Uche Mefo and myself. So how do they get the information to come and arrest the people, your people? And after that, they arrested Chidebere the next day in his house. Chidebere is alive. Do I know Chidebere's house, where he lives? He only comes to meet me, and I speak to you through his phone. When you are at Kuje. You are such an ungrateful person. You think you can con everybody. You can scam everybody. How did the government of Benin, the security of Benin, the government of Nigeria know about our meeting in Cotonou? If I did not stand firm, your people you send all over the world, we are about to run away. And I stood firm. I said, look, there are laws in this country. People cannot just bust in and come to arrest us without any reason. We successfully held the meeting. The people you sent there from Germany, from all over the place, what did they say? That there's something wrong with your structure. There are people, there are moles within your system. Are you the mole? Is Uche Mefo the mole? We want to betray and kill everybody. I am a coward. I am a toad. I am big belly. Kiliwi want to go belly and my own which one big pass? Eh? Kiliwi want to go belly and my belly which one big pass? You strong rich Kiliwi want to go? Power mind belly and my belly which one big pass? You strong by power mind? Big belly is a sign of strength, eh? Opufuro strength. Ibijana boye fi ha. Papa to me. I am a coward, I am a toad, I am big belly, but you send over 100 people for me to fortify them to come and protect you. How many months did they stay? At Bakana, at all Bakana. There are people, your boys are there, I have all their list. Over 100 people to be fortified. Don't allow us to open more. What you are looking for, if I give it to you, you say you cook for me. Ah! Can any woman cook for any German? Can any woman cook for any German? You don't learn history. Go and read their history and know the relationship between the Ijaws and the Igbos. Who was master? Who was the master of the other one? Our relationship was master and servant relationship, master and slave relationship. We were master, you were our slaves. Come to talk in front of me. Don't attempt it. All those Ijaw people, that the ones you bought and the fake people that are running around you, and the 419 Israelis you have gone to meet, you think you want to do this thing. If you want to see support from people, you will see me with your own eyes. I don't boast about my support, but when you push me, I'll tell you, don't dare me. If those of you who are trying, it is the same people that you send to me that will kill all of you. They've been calling me now. They've been begging me, please, Oga. Oga, we beg you in the name of everything you believe. In the name of Biafra, please leave this matter. How many of them have come to see me? Let them not push you to do certain things that will affect Biafra. Do you want me to open my inbox and start to show how many people that have been sending me messages? Which before we talk, but you sent over 100 of your people. I did not betray any one of them. None of them was arrested. I sent all of them back and empowered them and sent them back. You people boasted, you can do this, you can do this. We kept you in a place, try you to do it. You were not able to do even one. After we spent millions. There's one of the biggest, one of your highest commanders of PSS will tell you his experience of how much you spent and how he carried the things up and down and nothing happened. Don't make us so. We are not in the same category. And not be a category at all. Because if we try, like I told you, the gutter is not too far. You don't have any business with Biafra. You are a con man in Nnamdi Kanu.
So, my people, welcome back. Thank you for listening to Asari Dokubo's anger. Let me not waste most of your time. I will jump into the matters directly. If you can recall, before Radio Biafra International War, we are kicked out of Facebook. I contacted them 3 weeks before the time. I informed them that they are about to be kicked out of Facebook. They did not listen to me. Rather, they kicked me out of the Radio Biafra platform. And after 3 weeks later, Radio Biafra disappeared from Facebook. Up to today, none of IPOB followers contacted me to ask me, how did you find out that these guys are going to take this step? And I'm not here to reveal anything. You know, that's why I keep on telling my people, we should divide the job. Do you see the prophecy that I have been giving for a very long time is now coming back to destroy the struggle that we are building for a very long time. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, try to subscribe now. God bless you. The issue there is, you can hear Asari Dokubo trying to accuse Nnamdi Kanu and his followers of betrayal. The meeting they were holding in Rivers State, how the federal government burst in them and start arresting people who betray, who gave information. Let me use this platform now to advise once again. When non-entities, I won't call them non-entities because there are people who are masters in their field, and there are Biafra should divide jobs, not this so-called command and control that the power will remain in one place. I have been telling our people that they are communicating on Facebook, they are communicating, they are writing email with Gmail, Yahoo, they are talking on telephone within each other. You are fighting to divide a nation big as Nigeria, being backed by Britain and other strong countries around the world. And you are operating in open platform, in open, that is something like you are operating like a baby that has no idea how things are being managed, which is very, very wrong. I have been advising, calling town with that number. I even advise a lot of them, leave WhatsApp. All of IPOB activities goes on WhatsApp. Who owns WhatsApp? WhatsApp is owned by Facebook. And who owns Facebook is the extended hand of CIA. Every back door is open. Everything is open. The back door is large open. And I tell them, there are other apps they should be using, not Instagram. Instagram is rubbish. Turn over to Signal. Signal app is the most secured app on planet. I have access to every program that can tap every damn fucking phone today. I can do it. If I can do it, federal government of Nigeria can do more. If I can have access to your communication, federal government of Nigeria can have access to your entire device. If I can read your WhatsApp, federal government can even locate where you are at the right time. We have to use our thinking faculty. You are fighting to pull, to divide, to destroy a nation. You have to be wise. You have to be ahead of those people. Also called regional leaders or coordinators and everything handling affairs. Are you encrypting their communication? I even advise IPOB to build their own server, secure it, and connect all their coordinators under that server so that every communication will be highly monitored and secured. Whenever they have bridge, they will know that they have bridges. But are they doing it? No. With the go court, these people, but you are nyash. You are nyash. You wear trouser, but your blockers are nyash. Everything will make you wear trouser the outside. That is why Asari, where they Africa, where no say Nigeria, where would they fight, is one of the big elephant in the world. Nigeria is one of the big elephant. Because it's our country, we keep on underrating that nation. Yes, they don't care about their citizens. They don't care about their masses. But they have security. If you switch from normal news to whistleblowers news, you will then be able to find Nigeria where Nigeria belongs. All the whole secret programs that NSA is using to tap into communication of all the whole citizens of the world. You count America, you count Britain, Canada, and everything. At the end of the day, you count Nigeria and Italy. Nigeria has one of these communication tapping network. That's why they keep on focusing on Biafra. They know what you people are talking. As your phone is lying within around you, you are not using it. You off that phone. but the battery is still inside, and that phone will lie around you. I myself, Zebede Jilike Mowa, can be hearing all the whole conversation going on there. That is why if you want to have a secret meeting, collect the phone of everybody, open the refrigerator. Open refrigerator. No matter how old the phone is, it doesn't matter. Open refrigerator, pack those food inside fridge and close that door. Then you can start talking. And try to develop. I keep on telling IPOB with their level today, they're supposed to have their own social media. As I'm building this Iroko now, whatever they are doing on Facebook, look, maybe your friend you know very well is not using Facebook, but you are using Facebook, and that your friend number is in your phone. Facebook tap the communication of that person from your phone. You people doesn't know what I'm talking about, and you won't know it until you start researching it. Facebook will leave your phone. My phone now that I'm using, this phone now I'm using, all the whole people inside this phone, Facebook can track a lot of things about them. They don't use Facebook, but I'm using Facebook and I have their number. It's point of contact. The world have gotten out of control, but you can control it if you know how to set up your securities. You know how to do your things. As this phone is on now, there are ways that I will talk. My watch will pick my voice and start demanding that I should repeat what I'm saying. To tell you, the watch is listening to my voice. The phone is listening to my voice, tapping my communication. And if you know how to use Android or you are a novice, that if you meet me, I will open something. I will show you the whole app on your phone, listening to your conversation. If you want to know what I'm telling you now, go to your Facebook account. Download all your datas. Go and download your datas on your Facebook account. If you download all your datas, you will see audio. Start listening to those audios. It's your telephone conversation that has nothing to do with Facebook. It's your normal telephone conversation, normal conversation you're having with somebody. Facebook will record those conversations. But the only place, the only secured app that I keep on advising people to use is unpopular. This app is unpopular. And this Western world knows the reason why they are pushing it back. They don't want it to come out. Everybody is WhatsApp, hey, WhatsApp me, hey, do this, hey, group, WhatsApp group, Facebook, hey, IPOB group on WhatsApp. You guys are a bunch of morons because you don't know what you are doing. Before you go to Nigeria, Nigeria has every data about you. Every activities you are doing, everything that you are doing with Biafra, they know it. They know it firsthand. Quote me right. If you like, call me privately. I will advise you the more. I don't choose side. I'm not looking for face because I'm proud of what I know in terms of security. You are using internet. Internet you are using is not even encrypted. You don't even know what is VPN. You don't you everywhere you see free Wi-Fi, you connect and start talking rubbish. Now, Nnamdi Kanu and these guys has meeting. They have their inner conversation and DSS keep on busting them. They travel to Cotonou and security forces bust in. Asari Dokubo, Nnamdi Kanu did not betray you. Asari Dokubo, Uche Mefo didn't betray you. No Biafran person on that day betrayed you. Rather, your phone betrayed you. Your phone, all those phones you are using, is the number one betrayal around you. Using your money to buy phone, quote me right, my people, please. The phone you bought, you will go to shop and look for the latest phone, 400,000, 300,000 to buy phone. This is number one police. Police is your friend, and you look at them driving with car outside, but you don't know that you have CID, or what they call it, CID, right? This criminal police. This is number one criminal police around you, monitoring, recording every step you take, wherever you are, everything you do, people around you, conversation. They can on even my camera. They will video everything going around without my knowledge. And most of these Chinese phone may reveal that your phone has been bugged because it will be getting hot. Most of the phone, not all. Most of this Chinese phone, if your phone keeps on getting hot, at times it will go on and go off. That will tell you your phone has been bugged. That is number one signal. If your battery keeps on running down fast, your phone is under surveillance. They are surveilling your phone. Drop that telephone, drop that number, get a new one. And expensive phone, there are reasons why those phones are expensive, my people. Because there are options to set up highly encrypted. You can encrypt the more if you know how to do it. And try to get VPN inside your phone. Get VPN that doesn't keep key log. There are VPNs that don't keep key logs of your activities and whatever you are doing. Some VPN do record whatever you are doing. If government demand, they hand it over. And some VPN don't do it. Get VPN on it, put it at the top. As far as your phone is on, your VPN is on, so that every communication going out of your own phone coming in will be encrypted. You know, Asari now don't they accuse Biafrans of betrayal, but they are not betraying each other. It's misunderstanding, and that is what the government are looking for, to put in fight inside Biafra so that they will blow. They should explode from inside. And Asari is helping them. It's not helping Biafra. Opening your mouth, wangling of every secret conversation. Did you win any cup? Did anybody give you special blessing or special gift because you reveal a lot of conversation or activities you have with Nnamdi Kanu? No. In other side, Nnamdi should also start controlling his followers. If you have millions of followers, Nnamdi, you have to be watchful of everything that comes out of your mouth. Maybe this prophet that they said that Nnamdi Kanu killed wasn't killed nor ordered by Nnamdi. But the Nnamdi Kanu followers that are out of control, Nnamdi may utter a word against that man and that people would misinterpret it and go for that hit. Put me right. That's why a leader of this capacity, you should watch your speech. Don't condemn people, because condemning people, that is why most of the countries like Germany today, they have these Nazi people. Do you know why their government may not stand firm and condemn Iran, condemn Syria, condemn America? Because if they condemn, there are people loyal, heavily loyal to this government that will carry arms and go for massacre. You know? So that's why, Nnamdi, you have to watch your speech. Watch the word you utter. Be neutral always, no matter how angry you are. Control your words, because a lot of people are standing firm to become the self-judge, to judge whoever that offended you. Please, I'm begging you, Nnamdi. Asari Dokubo, Nnamdi Kanu is not betraying the struggle. Nnamdi Kanu did not betray the struggle. And Uche Mefo did not inform the DSS. Oh my God. You people are not reading the news of NSA in United States. NSA is harvesting the metadata of every conversation of every phone all over the world. And Nigeria is doing the same thing. Nigerian population is excess, and they are not even helping the matter at all. That means the government got to be surveilling the people to put them under control. Before things will run out of hand, they will jump in. You guys should throw away your phones. Throw away that phone entirely. Get a new number. Kick yourself out of WhatsApp. Start downloading Signal app. Let me write it here. Download Signal app. Create a new group on Signal, and also make sure that all the whole members of that group are not worm and rats. Because whenever you create a group, you start adding them. You don't know which people are working with which people. But I will tell you one thing. On Signal, you can configure Signal that people cannot snap whatever you write. You can configure Signal that people cannot screenshot. You can configure Signal that every conversation, whatever you write, in some time it will disappear and it will not be recovered again. And you can secure Signal with a special security that before somebody will get access, they have to log in to have access to Signal. And you can configure Signal that Signal shouldn't be backing up to anything. It then means whatever you are doing, either it's on your phone or it disappears. Signal has, you go to YouTube, go to online, type Signal, how to set it up, how to set this Signal, and the Signal, like Nnamdi Kanu, Ucheme, all the whole coordinators of IPOB, those that Nnamdi Kanu are calling or communicating with, don't communicate with these people through WhatsApp again. If you download Signal and somebody downloads Signal, one of your followers, if you people meet each other, there are ways to verify the source code. That's your security code. You verify security code. Whenever any intruder or no, there will be no middleman. You know why you verify that thing? So that it will wipe out middleman. Because if you are talking with somebody through WhatsApp, there is middleman carrying this thing now and keep on recording the conversation. But on Signal, if two of us meet and we verify ourselves, it will mark blue. Whenever your own they get any breach, if I want to communicate with you, it will tell me that your code have changed. It then means somebody have intruded into your destiny. I will then ask you to uninstall your Signal and install it again and reactivate it so that the middleman will get out and we will verify ourselves again. You will be able to be seeing this one. Signal give you the as a whistleblower. Normally they created Signal for whistleblowers, people leaking government secrets so that you won't be tracked by the government. But as agitators, as people fighting freedom fighters, they should switch to Signal. Signal, nobody owns Signal. WhatsApp is owned by somebody. Telegram is owned by somebody. And those people are under the umbrella of the big entities. But Signal is open source. The code is open. Programmers can read the code and see that everything is normal. And it's being programmed by all the programmers from all over the world. It's owned by no human being. And nobody can influence Signal. That's why you guys have to switch. Asari Dokubo, please stop revealing. Not when children start insulting you from Facebook and you start revealing the inner Kako's secret. I don't want to know what you and Nnamdi Kanu went through. And I keep on accusing you that you make some revelation about you and Nnamdi Kanu's activities. I keep on saying this thing. Nobody knows why I'm saying it. And nobody have asked me, why are you accusing Asari and demanding Asari to come and challenge you face to face. I know why I'm saying that. And I'm not tapping somebody's phone. No, I didn't tap nobody's telephone. Rather, there are ways to find things. You know, there are ways to find things. That's why before, I said I don't want to belong to IPOB. But I can be an extended hand for IPOB in terms of security. I said it. I said it before. On Facebook, my old Facebook that I closed, and on this platform, I keep on saying, not that I'm not following IPOB, I will not give them security. I am here to give them every necessary security they need to back and lock every back door that Nigeria, and even though Britain won't be helping Nigeria to snoop into their affairs. Britain is snooping inside Nigeria. Nigerian telecommunication service is being powered by British and America. And they are looking into every conversation that is going out and coming in. But you can still troop yourself into secured communication platforms that will give you the upper hand to operate. They will be seeing you, but they cannot be able to identify you. They can't listen to your conversations. They can't put asunder in between two husband and wife. Asari, if you may listen to this thing or people may send this video to you, Asari Dokubo, throw yourself out of Facebook. Facebook, Nnamdi Kanu, Facebook. You said it the time you visited Bayan, that IPOB platform are no longer visible to people searching for it. Rather, the ones that are being created by DSS are now popping up. Didn't I say it before? I said it time with that number. I keep on inviting you people. Bring your experts. Let us develop Iroko to the standard level. I will give you every key you need. You have to keep everything you are doing. IPOB, you don't need to look at other people. You are the largest group on planet. And every world, keep all their eyes are on you. All the eyes of this world are on you. Monitoring, following your step, learning your strategy, seeing how you guys are planning to be able to predict you in time to come. .com. Iroko, we know the meaning of Iroko. In Igbo land is Okoshishi. That's why I choose this Iroko. And when IPOB know their potential, know their capacity, know their capability, they should map out money, bring out engineers, programmers. Let us build our own social media. Gradually, you will be operating on Facebook. Oh, not that you will throw Facebook away. No. But the activities of the IPOB and the Igbo followers will be now operating on the platform of the platform that you guys are powering. You are the in and out. No government will ask you to submit your own data. You don't do that. And you don't carry your data, your backups and everything and save it in any. You inside your in a undisclosed location. You set up your server and connect everything to that server so that you will be safe. This Asari Dokubo issue now is just the beginning. It's just the beginning. Nigeria has the whole tools to destabilize IPOB. Because if they want to, they can use your phone, send SMS, reveal a lot of things, and you start fighting that person. Not knowing that it's the same people you are fighting are the one manipulating you. You see this thing they do like this. They will be connecting you and you will be dancing their music. And but we can avoid it. We can do more better because we have people like me and people like you and people like others. Even though we disagree on open platform, we should have back channel of communication. You guys have to wake up. You guys all are stupid. America is trying to bomb Iran openly. They are accusing Iran of every damn thing on planet. Even Israel. The Israel want to eat Iran alive, but there is still backdoor of communication. I keep on telling you people this thing. It costs you nothing to open back channel, so that you guys may be saving each other, protecting each other. Don't be happy when your brother goes down. Asari Dokubo, what you are doing, all the revolution you are doing now, is it helping you? Is it helping IPOB? Is it helping Nnamdi? Who is enjoying or gaining from this two fight now? Is the same people, the common enemy that you want to bring down. Are you two of you not stupid? Two of you are morals. As you call them minions, you and the Nnamdi Kanu followers are minions. Because if you are wise, you will be man enough to hold yourself. If I am into Nigerian politics and I want to sneak out to start working with IPOB underground, I will be afraid. Men listening to Asari and hearing what Nnamdi Kanu, even Nnamdi Kanu was more constructive. Nnamdi Kanu didn't insult Asari. Nnamdi only challenged and made himself neutral. Not that I'm supporting Nnamdi because Nnamdi is from Igbo land or whatever. Rather, I have weighed the two speech from the both sides. Asari went too fucking far. I won't even trust Asari for anything. Secrecy. Because whenever you touch him, he will blow the whistle. But everybody get his secret. Like those reverend fathers that were talking to each other. And this one say, I have weakness. He said, what is your weakness? He said, a woman though.
And the other one say, what is your weakness? He say, they thief church money. You know? And the other one, the answer say, what be your weakness? He say, my weakness, and I be say, sorry, anything why here I must talk about. I know get secret. These two people fall for ground, start to cry. So everybody get his own fault. Maybe Asari own be say, na strong man though, he know how to mobilize his people, he know how to stand as a strong man, but anything where you know, if you touch him hard, it go blow up. Every human being get his own secret. And because of that, we will not nail him. No. Rather, we should know how to. That's why if you are making a new friend, don't rush into friendship. Hey, my guy, my G. No. Learn that person. Read that person like newspaper. Find out how he operates so that friendship will last. That is the mistake we keep on making. I advised you people before. One Turkish man were running behind Biafra, calling Nnamdi Kanu our leader. Where is him now? Didn't I talk about that man? Didn't Biafran people pull out a gun and knife and try to blow me off? Because I tried to advise them on that area. You know? So, what I'm trying to tell you people is this. Don't kill each other. Everybody get his own fault. Every human being get where nobody is perfect. You know, we have to accommodate each other and keep on moving forward for the betterment of Biafra, for the betterment of Nnamdi, Asari. Even Asari challenging Nnamdi, who are you? My people, you are slaves and we are masters. Tell you how big his brain is. Being a strong man doesn't mean that you are big in brain or you are smart as a human. You know, because whenever such a thing start popping up, it means you have a hidden agenda. You guys are accusing the other side they want to dominate or the other one. No. Or the one, this one a master, this one oga. It play no rule. The rule is now, today, who is the slave, who is the master? Fulani is the master and we all are the slaves of the Fulanis. Fulani man that sleep with cattle, that roll with cattle, is ruling you with that NEPA bill. He even manipulated the election. But you, with all your knowledge, you can only cock that gun against Nnamdi, or Nnamdi cocking it against Asari. It means we are not making any progress. So my advice now is all Biafran followers, all Biafran agitators, even though Skype, the Skype that many people are using, Skype went and took the code of signal to program their. Do you know that Skype is 2? Skype is 2 now. That your Skype you are using to communicate. There is also signal Skype, inside Skype, that you can use and have secret conversation. Many people doesn't know that. Many people that are with me, I do send them invitation to accept that secret communication. If you see it, it's different from normal Skype. Skype is also, the nyash of Skype is open. Now Microsoft. But the only trusted side now, that secret one where Signal program the power. You know? Let us stop fighting each other, accusing each other that this one is sabotaging this one, this person is leaking, this one is working with federal. Nobody is working with federal government. You guys should calm down. Rather, federal government is working against you. Federal government is monitoring the conversation that is coming in, going out of your mobile phone. Let me tell you one thing, my people. I can copy a name of a program, but I don't want people to abuse it, because if I put it here, a lot of people will start using it to monitor their women, because a lot of them were calling me that I should give them the program. They want to start monitoring their wives, those living abroad and their woman is back home. Those things will destroy families. That's why I will not put the name of those programs. But if I put the name of that program, if you go into that program, you will see that if I target you and blow it to your phone, I may give you, maybe you are using Leica. Let me give an example for those living outside Nigeria. You are using Leica, and I would send you an SMS telling you that if you reply to this number now, you are going to get €50 free Skype credit. Quote me right. If I send it to 100 people, all of them, if they are all Nigerians, they will reply to that thing. And as soon as you reply that thing, bam, you will not see the money. You will not be angry. You will call them waiting, yeah, people. I have access to your phone. I can read your email. I can call back the numbers you deleted. I can bring back the message you deleted. I can read your message, the one you send and the one that comes in. I can listen to your conversation going out and coming in. Quote me right. I can know where you are now. I will give you the address, real-time address where you did now. I can listen to the conversation going around you. If your phone is inside your wallet or inside your bag and you are standing with people, I can listen to those things. If I can do it, then you have to know that federal government can do more. And I can use your phone, write rubbish and send it to somebody because I have full access of your phone. I can even lock you out of your phone. I can lock you out of your phone, block it that you won't have access to that phone again. They call it access denial. I will deny you access to your mobile phone, your own. That even though the owners of the phone, even though it's Apple, they can no longer, even they can break in. That is the capability of these programs. And if I can do it, you have to know that federal government of Nigeria will do more. Yes. So Nnamdi Kanu did not give Nigeria the location where they are holding meeting, nor any IPOB follower or IPOB members. And those that are saying that there is worm in their group. There is worm, and that worm is your mobile phone. That worm is your Skype. That worm is your WhatsApp. That worm is your Facebook. Yes, you won't believe it. It's the truth. You know? But switching from WhatsApp, now Zuckerberg want to connect WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. That I can connect, I can write to somebody in Instagram from my WhatsApp account. I can write to somebody in my WhatsApp from my Facebook account. You know, she said the nyash don't they get wider. That is why you should drop WhatsApp now. I know that Facebook will be difficult for our people to drop out for. And IPOB is not even helping the matters by not helping to develop their own platform. Every country do you know that last time America and France have small issues? That small issues, do you know that France has their own Google? France have their own search engine that works like Google. Perfect, more than perfect than Google. But nobody knows about it. Every country have their own Facebook. You don't know about it. They put it on the ground. If things want to go out of control, they will activate their own. So if these countries are building those things on the ground, keeping it for the D-Day, why can't IPOB do it for Biafran people? Do you know why I keep on calling IPOB? IPOB is the largest group on planet. No group, even though South Africa, so-called Mandela, have not break the record Nnamdi Kanu has broken. Whoever that sees the truth should say the truth. IPOB is the largest freedom fighting group on planet Earth. No other country have ever come close. And for IPOB to keep on enlarging themselves, keep on progressing within themselves, they have to start thinking to become independent. Not become only independent from federal government. Before you achieve the federal government, start becoming independent in your own self. Do you think I'm stupid building this website that I called iroko.com? If Iroko start moving well now, if I get at least, let's say 100 people start using Iroko, you won't see my leg inside Facebook again. I will focus on this place because here my data are protected. Here everything that I'm doing is protected. Even this YouTube I'm using, before I do share, I do republish videos that our people are doing because there is something they call G-Lock. these killings that are going on in northern part of Nigeria, the Christian side of Nigeria, the killings in Enugu State, the killings in Igbo land, why is it not spreading in YouTube? Because YouTube helped Nigeria to lock it out. Only people within Africa may see it, or within Nigeria may be coming across it. I can only see it when my own person pick that video and share it here. Then I will be able to see it. And me following him will be able to see it. A part of it, nobody will be able to see it. But we can break those yoke when IPOB will do something and I will get access to that thing. I have to stream it from my own platform so that it will spread, because they cannot lock my own as somebody here in Germany. It will now start spreading. But I will do it, the same IPOB group. Do you know that most of the IPOB music that I used, most of them, the people called me, begged me to stream, use their music to play on the background. They are now reporting me that I'm using that I use their property without permission. And YouTube keep on writing me every day, and I will bring the conversation we have on the first day and send it to YouTube. That's why they have not strike my account. The same IPOB, the same Igbo people reporting themselves. Is that the way we should move forward? That is not the best way to follow. So my advice to Asari Dokubo is stop fighting yourself. Mistake have been made, but the mistake is being made from both sides, both IPOB and Asari. Nnamdi Kanu should call his followers to order. Ask them, if you are a real IPOB follower, if you love what I'm doing, stop insulting Asari Dokubo. It takes you nothing. That thing will stop. They will listen to you. They are loyal to the core. And Asari Dokubo, not when these children start insulting you, you start revealing the secret conversation, secret things that you have with Nnamdi Kanu. Only one person is getting from these things is Nigerian government. So technology-wise, IPOB, please stretch your hands to those people like me. I don't want to be under your command. Rather, I am also ready. I don't want to be a member of IPOB. I am also ready to render you every support you need in terms of security. And it should be between two of us. And you can only reach me, any secret conversation, I will still refer you to contact me through Signal. You must contact me through Signal. If you try to communicate through Facebook, through WhatsApp, I will not talk anything with you. Because everything you are talking in that area is being recorded and being handed over. Take it or you leave it. I have to tell you the simple truth. I am ready to render security help to IPOB as long as I can. I can also bring my team to ask my team to, the ones that know more than me, to also render help so that this mistake will not come again. More will pop up. More will still pop up. And then Nnamdi Kanu, your video pop up on online with your wife now, by then girlfriend. Nigeria has the capability to use the whole pictures in your phone, because this program I'm talking of, I will have access to your phone, full access. I say full access. I can publish every secret videos and pictures you have on your phone, and you can't do anything about it. I will publish it. I will paint you black. Yes. And Facebook, most of the things that IPOB are doing, go and read whistleblowers, follow the whistleblowers discussion. Switch from Google, come down to whistleblower. Go to WikiLeaks. WikiLeaks, go there and read some certain things. You will now find out things that are going on. Make you search Snowden, Edward Snowden. You will see his group. You will see how they advise you how to secure yourself. German said that it's machbar. It's doable. You understand? Protect yourself, because you fighting to bring back Biafra. Ojukwu fought by them because there is no technology. And the means of communication wasn't large by that time. They fight war. Today, we don't need to go to war to get Biafra. Rather, we should close every window, every back doors, so that our conversation, our plans, everything we are having will be floating within ourselves. And whenever it goes out, then we will know that we have worm inside ourselves. And you should not tag your people saboteur. No. Rather, there are other people that are qualified to know how to fish out those people. And I will not say it here so that they will not take precautions. There are ways to fish out those that are leaking those informations. Yes. Asari mentioned something. He said that he has one conversation, only him, Nnamdi, Uchemefo, three of them knows about this thing. And that thing leaked out. That one of them, he's not the one that leaked it. And either it's Uchemefo or Nnamdi that leaked it. Men hearing such a thing, you will know, you will just laugh. You will know that Nnamdi didn't leak that conversation. Uchemefo will not do, because Uchemefo is loyal to the court to Nnamdi. Asari, the way he's talking, he's not the one that leaked that information. Then, who leaked it? Who leaked that information? Is this thing. This phone is what leaked that information. Did you people communicate through phone? Is your phone around you when you guys are talking? Did you guys meet face to face? Did you communicate through WhatsApp? How did that communication went? Did you use signal? You didn't know what is signal. Such a conversation should be going through signal. And I will also use this platform now to advise Nnamdi Kanu, because try to reach Asari Dokubo. Okafor, I will come to that later. Nnamdi, please try to reach to Asari Dokubo. Talk to him on the ground. Calm Asari Dokubo down. There are people that need petting. They are good, though. You can use them to achieve what you want to, but you have to know. That's why you have to learn whomever that you're operating with, the way they behave, the way their life works. Many people like too much petting. Talk to Asari. Talk to him as a man. It's only a real man. You can call yourself a man when such thing developed and you pick your phone and call the other one and said, my man, we are not helping the matters. I did not kill that man. I did not send anybody to kill. And I'm not here to accuse you. Maybe information came to you that I did it, but those information are false, are wrong. And for the boys insulting you, I am not the one sending them, but I will do everything in my power to minimize those damages. That is how a leader operates. Because if you will come across this video, please do this thing that I'm telling you now, because if you don't do it, Asari is giving 1 minute, because I noticed something down. Asari is giving you signal. Yeah. Asari is giving you signal that he may reveal more. For me, maybe inside him, he didn't know that his body language exposed what he will do in future. God gave me that talent to be able to read somebody. I have read Asari. And Nnamdi, you can rescue a lot of things now by picking your phone, not sending somebody. Pick your phone as the leader of IPOB. Because do it. It will not make you to be weak. It won't put you in a difficult situation. Rather, ndị Igbo say, onye ụjọ ji ndụ ya lọ n'ike. Pick your phone, call Asari Dokubo as the leader of IPOB. Even Asari Dokubo is loyal to your government, but he will not admit in open air. Please, or since you have went to London, you haven't reached him, he's trying to draw attention. Nnamdi Kanu, reach him, calm him down. You will see that he will be more loyal. You know, Asari Dokubo is loyal to Wazirike. But Nnamdi, if you have people like me, you will twist Asari and he will switch side. And if Asari switch side, everything following him will switch side. And I will use this opportunity now to call on all IPO and Biafran groups. All Biafran groups, our people get one proverb. They said, "Anya bewe, imi ebewe." Anya bewe, imi ebewe. Don't use this infight now as opportunity for you to enlarge yourself. You will not enlarge yourself, because if you didn't learn from what is going on, it will come back to hurt you. As far as you are mentioning Biafra, if Nnamdi Kanu IPOB goes down, all Biafran groups are going down. You may think that you will survive it, you will never survive it. So don't use this opportunity to pour fuel instead of pouring water or other quenching chemicals. If you have access to Asari, use your position to talk to Asari, calm him down. A good fighter, no matter any pressure, never reveal inner secret conversation, even though till death. You have made us to understand that you train some IPOB people. You have made Nigeria to know that this guy, most of them can't even handle gun, to tell you they are not violent people. You have made us to understand that you send your people to protect Nnamdi Kanu. And now you are implicating the issues. Nigeria now is watching you, that you are even colliding with their enemies to make sure that they fall. You are not escaping these accusations. If you haven't subscribed to Mirror African, please use the opportunity to subscribe to Mirror African TV so that our program will be expanding the more. So let me go back to my conversation. Asari Dokubo accusing Nnamdi Kanu that he killed somebody. DSS, if they open any case about that, Asari, you will be questioned on how you get that information. You are not free. All these things that you are doing now, you are not free out of it. Rather, you are robbing yourself in dead man's blood. So stop revealing your conversations. Stop talking like a woman. Be a man. I'm not insulting you, rather, I'm trying to advise. So, IPOB people, please stop insulting Asari whenever he's doing his videos. Distance yourself from insult. As I on my YouTube today, before I start talking, Alfred Christopher, he didn't even know what I'm about to talk. He started calling me stupid man, gossiping whatever, blah, 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 that I'm supporting the rape and whatever that is going on with within our areas, you know. The only thing we will do is to calm down, distance ourselves from insult, rather focus on the real issue. So that's all I have to give out today. If you have not yet subscribed to Mirror Africa, try to do so. Share this video, invite people. Let the people that this message are made for get access to it. And IPOB and the IPOB followers, switch over from WhatsApp to Signal. Build up your security. Download what they call VPN. Go and look for VPN without key lock something, you know. Let me write it down. VPN. Search for VPN. The one that don't save your lock. That's your activities that you are doing with it. This VPN will help you a little to encrypt the conversation, the communication that goes out of your phone that comes in, and nobody can decrypt it. That's one way of starting. Another thing, most of you that doesn't know, go and download or buy Kaspersky. Get yourself Kaspersky Mobile Security. Because it will help you to protect some of the things on your phone. And Kaspersky has also VPN, and it's a Russian company. I prefer Russia to tap my phone than UK or America, because Russia has nothing to do mostly with the federal government. But this company, these things are the little thing you can do. And also maybe later, I don't know whether it will be possible for me to do some lectures on how to deprive the apps running on your phone from tapping into your conversation. Most of you know that, most of you don't know it. I may find a way to do that video to advise you how to protect yourself a little, just mwajai small, you know. But in terms of high level conversation, please switch away from WhatsApp. Go over to Signal. Go and read Snowden, Edward Snowden. Search him, read his conversation. He will tell you that the only app that is secure is Signal. And you guys should stop using a Gmail account to write your message. No, Yahoo. There are other messaging platform you may be using, or you, IPOB, may create their own email server. Because I tried to create it last time on my own. You create your own server and share it within yourselves and use it to communicate within yourselves. Email, you can do it. There are open source with highly encryption with this Tor. You know Tor browser. With Tor high-end security that we use to program secure that email server. And ask all your followers to, those that are like these coordinators and regional leaders and those in Nigeria, all of them should go and have account with that email. You with the app and everything, so that everything you are doing, hey, my man, my people, become independent within yourself before fighting for the larger independence. Let us start first of all becoming independent gradually within ourselves. There are things we can be able to do, but we are not allowing those people to come closer to us, to the advisory board. I keep on saying time with that number, Mirror Africa will never switch or belong to any group. But I'm not saying that the door is closed to give IPOB the backdoor information to secure themselves. I will do it. I am ready and willing, which all of you knows very well. I am ready, willing to hand over, show them. I will show them the programs. Look, this program, look for a programmer that will do it for you, that will set it up, include this one. You know, even though I can use my Google Mail to write you email, but that email will be encrypted with Tor. I will write you email. I will send, maybe through Signal, I will send you the access code, and the access code is not 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to getting to up to 1 million word that you need to copy, paste it there before you can be able to decrypt the email I sent to you from Google. You can still, I will tell you, I will find out how I did it that time, because you can still add, there are plug-in you will be able to use to encrypt your message through, if you don't want to build your own email server. But it's not everybody that knows how to use it. So it's better you create your own server, secure it, and ask or create accounts for all your members, so that your communication, message you are sending out, everything you are doing is under your watch. Nothing forced out to the federal government. And when they want to breach in, you will see that attack is coming. Then you know that you are now blinding them. They are now fighting to break in. And I will also tell you how you can hire well-known programmers to build and beef up the security and keep on watching whenever attack is coming in. You know, everything is doable. And the money is not much. Rather, knowledge. The only thing that starts this infight between Asari and Nnamdi is nothing but misunderstanding. Nigeria getting in between two of them, or Britain getting in between two of them, and start working against this organization. So if you have not yet subscribed to Mirror Africa, please try to do so. And remain blessed. God bless you. And bye-bye. If you want to call me later to ask me some questions, go to your Skype and use type Mirror African TV on your Skype. You will find me on Skype. And if you want to contact me through Signal, maybe you have downloaded Signal, you can find me through my American number. Let me give you the American number because so that you may use it. I don't know whether it's necessary. I don't know whether you need it or you guys need to program yourself. But if you would like to reach me through Signal, if you have downloaded it already and you would like to talk to me, this is my US line. Through this number, you can get me on Signal. And please, if you contact me, tell me who you are, write your name and everything, so that we'll be able to communicate in terms of security issues. If you want to contact me through Skype, I will invite you through secured channel of Skype that are using Signal protocols. I will invite you, you will accept it, and we will be able to make video call and voice call highly encrypted, end-to-end encryption that nobody will be able to listen into. So anything security need to be secured before giving out the information. And I will advise you and direct you how to get there. So remember, blessed. Thank you very much for joining Mirror African TV. And I have not given up in terms of, because I want us to go to European Human Rights Court. So hold on, let me show you something. Let me show you people something. Just hold the line, I'm coming. So I'm back. So as I was saying before, I try to advise people that we should take Nigeria to European Human Rights Court, we need to go to European Human Rights Court, and we don't need to drag IPOB. IPOB has what they are doing. They are doing a lot on their own, but we should set out ourselves to do that thing. As I said before, the money, the fund that I collected before because of EU Human Rights Court, some people ask me what of the one they have already contributed. Here is the money is still here. You know how long it is now. I don't need to. It's 1,000 something. So the money is still here. Look at it. It's still secured in this place. So, but we don't need to give up. And we have to continue to make sure that we raise the fund. And those that know that they can participate also in terms of taking Nigeria to court, let us do it. Nnamdi Kanu is pushing Nigeria in terms of getting Biafra. We will not expect Nnamdi Kanu to start opening a different front. We all are Biafrans. And for us to win Nigeria, we have to open different war front for Nigeria. As Nnamdi Kanu is fighting Nigeria from this angle, we should take Nigeria to Human Rights Court, which we know very well Nigeria will never win. They have been killing our people, from the one documented from Wazirike and to Nnamdi Kanu's tenure now. If you are a lawyer, not the lawyer like the one my brother before that I brought in from London, that people send money through him. He did not deliver that money to Mirror African TV. He seized that money, and when I started asking for it, he said that since he had been working for Biafran affairs, nobody is paying him. People are doing Biafran affairs to be paid or to be making money. If I am a bad person, if Mirror Africa is a bad person, this money won't be here till today. This money will not be here till today. It's still here, secured, you know. So we have to forge ahead. We don't need to give up. Support. Let us take Nigeria to court. Let your name appear. I don't want it to be a group, but if you people want it to be a different extended hand of Biafra that will be fighting in terms of taking Nigeria to court because of human rights issues that is happening around our areas. These herdsmen you are seeing, do you know that Fulanis have landed in Calabar, taking refuge inside forests? Calabar government are discussing how they will deport them back to north. They are penetrating our areas. Before you know it, they will start this havoc they are doing in north. They are already in our areas, but we can stop them when we start. If we open a case against Nigeria, and Buhari will not go free. Now he's president, but after his tenure, he will not go free. Even though now he's president, they may curtail areas he will be able to travel, because if he trespass, they will arrest him. As a president too, let us contribute this money, support ourselves, and go to European Human Rights Court. We can do it. You cannot sue Nigeria in a country. I said it before. Many said that time that I was preaching this thing, they said, one woman have sued Nigeria in the United States, and I brought out the article, you know, that says America will never take any country into their court. It's not done. They can never judge Nigeria, even though German court will not judge Nigeria. But European court is not a country. Rather, is an independent body of its own to fight human rights affairs case all over the world. That is where we should take Nigeria to. Not to, I'm suing Nigeria in the United States, we sue Nigeria in Germany. No. As I said it, the case has failed. They will never achieve anything out of it. But if it's human rights court, they will open an investigation against Nigeria. Owazirike will bring his own killings and how they were killed and how people were massacred. And likewise others. Even IPOB, how IPOB were killed and massacred. This organization in Nigeria, what's the name again? They took the evidence that Nigerians were killing unarmed IPOB members. From there, we'll be able to make our terms. Your money is there, and we need more. Anything you send in, any support you give will help. The agenda of Islamizing Nigeria, now the thing is coming with full force. Men looking at southern Kaduna and other side that Christians dominated, they are being wiped out, and the Fulanis are taking over their territories. Their kings are being arrested, and now they have established emirs to start ruling over them, and the Muslim emirs. It's coming gradually. They are not giving up, but we can win that case. We can win that war only when we come together. Give ourselves a name under Biafra, you know, to move things forward. So support all these things that we are doing by contributing $1, $2, $3, $5. And if you have the money to say, I'm giving $10,000, 10,000 euro, let's go for this thing. Wow. The case will start. I am here to send out the message, but I'm not the one that will carry on the thing. There are people that are well learned more than me that will carry it up, but I will be watching. Because it's my idea. I'll be watching and directing how it should be done. So don't forget to contribute. Keep on contributing. We did not get enough. We only get 1,000 something. It's nothing. That time we needed 5,000, but now we need more than 5,000, up to 10,000 euro. You know, the lawyers are still there. They didn't hear from us again. Everything went mute, which is wrong. So, my people, God bless you. Subscribe to Mirror African TV. join the struggle and remain blessed. Bye bye for now. We will see ourselves next time. And either you contact me through Skype or you contact me via Signal through the number that I gave out. You know, don't call the number. If you call the number, it will become voicemail. Voicemail will come up. You know, you will reach me, but you can any message you send to the number, I will be able to read it. Any message send out through this number will reach me. Voice message or text message, or I will get it. But if you want to talk to me, save the number to your phone and reach me through Signal. So bye bye for now and remain blessed. Ciao. We see us next time.